Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Speed Jacket. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your frames are facing towards you like so. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the trigger mechanisms here and here on the bottom edges of the frame. Now once you've done that, let's start with one side first. So we're going to be pushing inward or sliding the mechanism towards the end of the frame to unhook these lenses. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. We're just going to push up or slide towards the end of the frame to release this lens. And the lens should slide right out. Once you've done that, do the same thing to the opposite end. Go ahead and locate that trigger mechanism here. Slide it in or towards the end of the frame. And just slide the lens out. Perfect. So now to install your new SeekOptic lenses, we're going to locate the grooves inside the frame here. And we're going to start off with the inner groove first, the one closest to the bridge of the nose. Now today I'm going to be installing my SeekOptics Revo Fire Red replacement lenses, just to give my frames a little bit more of an oomph to it, a little bit more life. So we're going to start off with this hook first. We're going to line it up to the groove of the frame here. Now inside this groove, right at the edge of the nose piece here, there is a notch that this hook will latch onto. So line up the hook to the groove of the frame, insert it into that notch, and as you do that, we're going to line up the end here with the groove of the frame here. Now all we got to do to insert it is just simply push up. And it locks right into place. Let me tell you, when Oakley developed the Speed Jacket, they definitely had lens exchanges in mind. So let's go ahead and do the same thing to this side. Locate the groove and the notch on this corner here closest to the nose bridge. Now we're going to insert our hook into the groove of the frame and then slide it into that notch. Now we're going to be pushing up on the lens and down on the frame just to get it seated, and you should hear that locking mechanism pop. Perfect. Now once you've installed your SeekOptic lenses, go ahead and give them a nice little wipe down with this microfiber cloth here. So let's go ahead and give it a nice little wipe down just to make sure that we're getting rid of any residue or any oils that might have been left during the installation. And do the same thing to this side. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new SeekOptic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.